Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we have a viewer request to craft the American Girl ski set from Girl of the Year 2022, Corinne's collection. See how to make Corinne's mountain graphic skis using only paperboard and whip up a pair of ski poles from simple crafting materials. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For this craft, you will need a couple of large cereal boxes. Start by sketching a long rectangle. Next, draw a line vertically through the center. Now we need to establish the placement for your doll's ski boots. To do this, take a shoe from your doll's collection and measure the sole. We also added half a centimeter for wiggle room. Measure and mark 12 centimeters from the top of your rectangle, then measure and mark the space for your doll's shoe. For us, that was 8 centimeters. Find the center point inside this smaller rectangle and draw a horizontal line 3 centimeters wide. Draw lines connecting all 4 corners of your rectangle to this line, as seen on screen. To create the curved front and back of your ski, trace a circular lid or cup. Now measure 3 centimeters from the end of the ski and sketch a dashed line. This is where we will bend the ski later. With your template complete, cut out and trace onto paperboard. You need 5 cutouts per ski. Keep one aside, then stack and glue the others together. We are ready to work on the graphic mountain design. Trace your template onto white poster board. Using a teal color, like Reeves turquoise, paint the end of the ski up to the line drawn for the top of the shoe. The front of the ski has the pine trees. Just as we did with Courtney's bedroom mural wall, create the trees by angling the tip of a flat paintbrush, working from the top to the bottom of the tree. Once your paint has dried, use a white gel pen to make a vertical line through the center of the ski, but not inside the shoe area. Following this, use white paint to make the arrow pattern. It helped to use the grid lines on our cutting mat to keep them evenly spaced. Cut it out 5 millimeters inside your template guidelines, then glue your poster board to the stacked paperboard ones. Now place a ruler at the end of your ski to bend it upward. Looking good! Time to make the bindings for the boots to slip into. We've seen doll customizers use low tack tape when drafting clothes patterns, so we are going to try this method for our bindings. You only have to draw one side, since both the heel and toe cap are symmetrical. Remove the tape, then cut out your shapes. Draw onto cardstock, adding side tabs, and again onto fun foam without the tab. Glue the hot pink fun foam to the cardstock base. Generously apply glue to the edge and tabs, then attach to your ski, wrapping your tabs underneath. It was easiest to start with the heel cap, keeping the boot in place when positioning. Then attach the toe cap. Once you have both pieces in place, slip out the shoe and add more liquid glue to the joins. This step adds strength without bulk. Set aside overnight to dry. Next, glue your final cutout to the bottom and paint this underside white. Repeat all the steps to make your second ski. Okay, let's make the poles. Take flat chopsticks and paint lavender. For the handles, cut 5 centimeters off the top of more chopsticks. On non-stick paper, sketch a handle shape similar to the AG version. Fill it in with hot glue, then push your chopstick into the middle. Cover over top with more hot glue, making sure to stay inside your drawn lines. When the glue has completely cooled, peel off the paper. Turn your handle over and repeat building up the hot glue to make a 3D grip. Here, we hot glued strips of plastic packaging to each end to slip over the doll's fingers and painted with berry pink spray paint. Hot glue your handle to the chopstick. Next, stack and glue buttons for the basket, then hot glue to the end of your pole. Fantastic! Your ski poles are all finished. Since we've had a wet, humid summer in Queensland, this did affect the drying time for our adhesive and paint. But with patience, everything worked out great. Get busy making your dolls their own ski set similar to Corinne Tan's, then send us pictures of your crafts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!